Assalamualaikum. My name is Arsham and my father name is Nusrat and my teacher name is Firoz Khan. My school name is Suffanagar. Pariksha Urdu School Akot Akala, Maharashtra. Today I learning A I sound, A I R, air, H A I R, hair, F A I R, fair, C H A I R, chair, B A I L, bell, H A I L, hail, D A I L, del, F A I L, fail, O I sound, J O I N, join, S C O I N, join, coin, O I L, oil, B O I L, boil, N O I S E, noise, V O I C E, voice, O U sound, P O U T, pout, R O U T, route, T O U T, tout, G O U T, gout. Thank you.